This is a demonstration of how a remote control works. Here are the different uh, varieties of remote control, IR remote control receivers. One is a 1838B module, another one TSOP 1738, and another one TSOP 1838, and another one also IR receiver. So here you see the Arduino board and remote controls, IR remote controls of different varieties. But this sketch will show, this will read the different codes from the IR receivers. So we see different IR receivers, how they give the codes here. This is a Samsung remote control. If you press 1, we can see the code. If you press 2, it's another code. If you press 3, we get another code. But for any different button, we can get different codes. So like that, we can program it in the program. That is a neck remote control. If you press this one, you will get different code for different key. If you press 1, you will get 61B, get press 2, 511BBB, like that. For different key we get different codes, but with these codes we can make a sketch to operate LEDs or lights. So like this we can control different even we can check which type of remote control it is. So if you download this sketch, you can see how can operate different LEDs. Here there are 3 LEDs connected. This is the pin 2 to which the receiver is connected, the signal pin, and the other 2 pins. Other 2 pins are one is 5 volts, another one is ground, and this is the signal. That signal is connected here at pin 2 in Arduino, and these are the outputs for the LEDs. When certain code comes, certain LED will glow. Like that we can operate these 3. So like that we can operate different kinds of LEDs here. If you press red, blue and yellow. Press 1, we can switch off the light. 2 and 3, like that. When we press red, we can control red LED, green and yellow, yellow LED. You press 3, you can switch off. 2 and 1, we can switch off this off, like that. We can control 3 LEDs. That means we can control 3 lights. Even AC lights with relay and all, we can control. So like that, we can make a very simple project like this. IR remote control operation we can do. So here you see the sketch how it is here. We can note down even.